this one? What is this? Mushroom.
Room.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Do you eat mushroom?
Yes.
Yes, I eat.
I eat.
Yes, I eat.
Yes, I eat.
Okay. What color are these mushrooms? What are the color?
White.
White, brown,
Brown.
and
Yellow.
yellow. Very good. Have you ever eaten mushroom soup? Mushroom soup? Yes. Okay. Next. What is this? What is this? Oh, what happened? Okay, what is this? Lime.
Rice.
Lime.
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 Okay. How do you spell the word lime?
L.
I.
I. M. E.
Very good. Lime. Lime.
Lime.
Lime.
Lime.
Okay. What is the color of lime?
Green.
Green. Okay. What shape is a lime?
No, I don't.
No, what shape? Is it square? Is it heart? Or a circle?
Yes.
What is the shape? Circle.
Yes.
Say circle.
It's circle.
Circle. Do you like lime?
No, I don't.
Very good. Okay. Next, we have, what is this? Cauliflower.
Flower.
Okay.
Cauliflower.
Yes. Is it a flower vegetable? Is it a flower? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What is the color of the central part of the cauliflower? What is the color of this? What is this? It is white.
White.
Okay. What color is the leaves? What color are the leaves?
It's a green.
Green. Very good. Which part do you eat? Do you eat this one or this one? Can you point this?
No, I don't.
Ah, you don't like. But which part do we eat? When we eat which part? The leaves or the flower?
No.